Hello there! In this video I'm going to show you more about the class list object and what to do with it. So far we've seen how to add or to remove a class from the class list, but you can also, for example, toggle a class, meaning that if it exists already, it's going to be removed, and if it doesn't exist, it's going to be added. So for example, here we have the class purple. So if I toggle it, supposedly it's going to disappear from my class list. So let's check. I reload, and indeed the purple class, which was supposed to be here, is not here anymore. And we can try with something else. For example, okay, cyan. Cyan is not a class which is there, so if I toggle it, supposedly it's going to appear because it's not present yet. So I reload, and we have purple, we have green, and we have cyan too. So indeed it's working. What you can also do is to replace a class list, a class from the class list. So to do so, you use that method like so. So for example, I have purple, and I want to replace it by a class by my class. So let's check if it worked. Purple is going to be deleted and replaced by my class, and indeed you can see that it worked. The class list API also gives you another method, which is contains, and it's going to return you true or false if your element contains the class that you're asking for. So you could match this in a condition, for example. So I want to check if my new section already has the class purple. So if it's the case, I want to log my section has the class purple. So I reload, and it doesn't have it because actually we're replacing it here. So I'm going to just comment this so we can check that it's working. So yeah, you can see that now the class purple is there, so it returned true and got in the if condition. So this is useful to do stuff according to an element has a class or not. So yeah, with that class list API, you have pretty much a lot of tools to use and to manipulate the class list of an element. So that's it for that video. See you in the next one.